Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija, the officers and enlisted personnel of the Aviation Regiment of the Philippine Army headed by Colonel Andre B. Santos, officially welcomed the Messerschmitt-Bolkow-Blohm Bo-105 multi-purpose helicopter at Headquarters Aviation Regiment Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City. The Bo-105 took off from Department of Transportation hangar, Coast Guard Aviation Force in Pasay City, Metro Manila and landed at Fort Magsaysay Aerodrome for the first time and piloted by Army Aviator Major Benji Ramondo and Commander Dino B. Garcia, Deputy Commander of Philippine Coast Guard Aviation Force. The said aircraft, donated by Mr. Manny V. Pangilinan, was formally turned over to the Philippine Army last January the 11th, 2021 at General Headquarters, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. After several months of waiting, the Bo-105 finally found its new home in Fort Magsaysay. This aircraft will be utilized to develop the skills of Army aviators. Future plans include the use of this aircraft for HAD, medevac, air reconnaissance, and maritime patrols.